You know right, assassinate. Airport and Timaya. Mojana Nanu Shegu Edigu on my eye.
Mimo bibi akwaba eba Melodies TV so. Me hu enyama bia ekoso ewo social media. Na senia munim no Melodies mean to maintenance enhwe. Ewo se me de me voice eka ho na ne kre a ewo asem ne mu bia no me de ebremo. Etiefo yesterday no I think ende ahomache na me hu sa picture we na trendy ye pia. So yanhwe ni ye na yanka ho asema enkrofo be fi se eye na kra because the people who did the work, I mean rightfully so, omo ye adwuma ni ye inti no be fi se real. Now ye ni enim say President Akufo Addo this year ye can ye be can say, I don't know whether to say it scandal, but brouhaha sane ye be can brouhaha kesie mienu atrese aba a efa ne ho ba kon eye private jet insensem a yaka ho asem a atrese still for the fifth or fourth time kra wo travel kra na sa private jet na no use no sisi ampo de ye jai ho asem kan because ase akwa ekoye say ye nti obia musu no kra na me ye no mo nti na sisi aye ni aye jai sun and the private jet no se ni obefa ne bia wo monye de omo pese omo ye. Now private jet aye na ye ka ho asem no who pictures are a buy any other issue are and so buy a yearbo President Akufo Addo echi anana enkrofo e dey trolling over social media Serwaa Broni sensem eno an say endra me hu ne say picture bi trend e Twitter any social media me say picture ben a wo bi akwa President Akufo Addo picture ena ni bakona asanso akwa Serwaa Broni picture ena private jet ya ye ka ho asem no mu no pictures baako a eliki ye ena ya hyeda aye editing say Serwaa Broni na private jet ni mu President Akufo Addo nso ne mu a picture ne na eda wanim sisie yi ntu be hu say President Akufo Addo ni a ya ye na editing a wote na ekonwa ni mu a say ye obi anka ntrel say editing ebe ye say na kre a ya hyeda ye Serwaa Broni nso wono nso tena the other side na make us editing be cast melodies e dey na etre say editing metremu ni approve na mu ehu ya Serwaa Broni a wono nso tena the other side as the President Akufo Addo etu kwan wo private jet we mu no what the Serwaa Broni kotinim nti adan gra just say Ghana and you get people believing this a lot of people are even believing this because the work was really done well to the point where you think it is true. Now, let's go and do some Google search to show you guys some things. Now, me Google search in Tremo. So you see, look at this picture. It is social media. Social media. And we a picture ye can asem no. Now, meba. So let me we nashe. This is the real picture. The real picture ni, and the president is not even sitting in. This is the real picture, as you are seeing. This is the real picture. We are from Joy News. We are from Joy FM. This is the real picture. Real picture nini of private jet and the President Akufo Addo got him. Now, Osha picture now. Look at the screen. Look at this. And akwabnane. Hi. Just say, on my way, pam. And akwabnane akwa picture we. Mami nya ni say so that people will see. Mi nya ne ketwa kakra. So that it will show clearly. Oh, meba. On fan chame. Etiefo picture ni new. And akwabnane afa sa picture yi because look at the screen. The whole screen is no the same thing. Show ana show screen is so say there no. The same thing. Ena kwabnane yakwafa sa picture we ya ena what say wakopɛ Serwaa Broni picture bi a wotena se ne ya ye na editing akwafa President Akufo Addo so picture bi na hey everybody Yesu Kristo it's Ghana kra asemen krania. Look at the picture. Say towels a blanket e wo ekonwa ne ho no eno a na wa ha say newspaper say den ya at that table ne so eno a da ho fruit so say den da ho eno a da ho. It's just that cushion na ewo we mu any cushion na ewo ha sei no ena ye yi cushion no obi aye editing Photoshop ena we yi cushion no ena wa pe president picture bi dia ba be hye ho ena Serwaa Broni so de ya pe Ewurade Yesu Kristo Ghana for just me say ebi mo ayo mo adwen say sa Serwaa Broni nsem we pan se wo mo be ma asem na ewu na nkomuti ate nkrofo akantam se sa Serwaa Broni asem we wo mo mani nwu de biara da nti asem na yese Akufo mpe ni ya ye bibi di aba bebom yese Akufo mpe ni ya ye bibi di aba bebom, and this is the latest one you are seeing. This is the latest you are seeing. Just a pure editing. Just say me, I'll give it up for the person because me you'll be a mama nkrofo atiasie. Will be a follow me be name say Melodies there. Or you'll be a no or your computer ni. Mama nkrofo atiasie me your computer ni. I'll give it up for the person because it's here for. Wo share ni pakune juma waye na waye ni neat, and that is the truth. Ni pakuna waye editing no waye editing ni neat because senya wama president atenase ase ye ne kre wa crossing the nine ni ase wa Broni so crossing the nine no he ni pakuna ye editing ni clean me nkan dada. Ni pakuno, this is not the first time. We will come to it. And I'll go and show you Nipakono the Facebook account. Listen, this is not the first time Nipakono waye BBC you. This is not the first time Nipakono waye BBC. Share picture we so. The same thing. Picture we so your picture bia and also go viral pan. And also President Akufo Addo te private jet mu and the yamana she nose mask. And I just say what's in him. And the journalist in him, and the yet to say, dear, what's in the journey chain? It's here for now. So we're known so osha. Now we in a fake. We so the Bakuna shed up a picture and a wire dated President Akufo Addo Babeshim. Now, you see, I want you guys to maybe picture way. I want to find a way to make the picture. Oh, I want to find a way. I'll show you something. If you are vigilant enough, you notice. Metremu bibi. Na nini nemu no. You see, say people are trying their best. Charlie. Because the president doesn't want to speak on the issue, no. So this is the picture. Now, the people I think are behind this, no. Hey. Shehase. Look at the name here. Edimbe Newaha. What name do you see here? Enya GH1 TV station no. Enya GH1 TV station no. Enya omo. Nkrofo ni din show mu din ye. Now, let me go and show you this edited one also. And also, nkrofo yi din ye. What difference do you see? You see it's the same name. It's me name group crop. But as a group name from GHI1. Now me name I don't know. Say I just say me name baby ankrofo free. Now me ko who group be but ode mama fe no ento nchen. But you guys are seeing the name GHI1. Omo anomo ye we. Omo anso no mokoye ba ko na sa ade we sa picture we and also ye pictures e din kan ba bonten pictures okuja to be release say ana President Akufo Addo ye be kan na asem no pictures e din kan ba bonten and ba ko share da ko fa President Akufo Addo picture and o de be to ekonwa nim as the President Akufo Addo no tinim no. Now I want to do a quick search for GHI1 no, and let's see what will come up. So GHI1 for no. GHI1. Yen share the beba. Let's see what will come up. Na GHI1. Me see. Beba. GH. Okay, so it. All right, you let me leave this. It's a GHI1 there, the minja, because you see, Ebiana, I will be wrongly assigning this to some people who are not. We now group B you're from GH11. As our group, no, it's a pure political group, and it is a political party. So GH11, no, GH11. A political party bia and a group bia a Facebook a NDC4 group GH11. But to be fair, group way edin and ankrofo way din enya one I. It is a medical assign say a your moi. Well, him say I am not being fair because I and one there difference a womb. But also search for GHI1 na. E do be kombro fufuo bi ho ne Broni musician bi say enya Ghana hakra nti obi nim say ye GH11 fo no eno ma hyeda ye omo ho GHI1 no say den yo no one knows but the other one no nti say we hu say that picture na me dey atra no trend there etie for a fake President Akufo Addo ene Serwaa Broni ongotina sa new private jet ni mu bia ongotina mo mesremo sa picture na fake won try ma comment box ni mo be that